So we'd like to welcome you to soc.consulting. We're going to be going over the Strand test, and the supplies that you'll need are your color or lightener, whatever simulated product that you're using for your test, paper towel, applicator brush, foil, and a water bottle. So as you see, what we're going to do here is first put on our gloves. And this part of your exam is typically going to be done before your color or lightener application for those sections. So that means that you've already started your exam. But the reason we actually had this separated from the color video and lightener video is because every state's different, and depending on the testing facility that you go to, some will have you do the Strand test and others won't. So we have this listed as really one of the additional free videos that we like to show, just to be able to do a basic example of how to do a Strand test. So we see here she sections the hair just right straight down the middle, and she's going to do a subsection of hair, putting the foil down underneath it, and then she dips her applicator bottle or applicator brush into her simulated color. She's going to do an application of it and then fold her foils over. So when she folds the foil over, this is basically simulating doing a lightener, or not lightener, I apologize, doing highlighting. But ultimately, this is really the way that you do a Strand test to be able to see how the color or lightener will react to the hair, or how the hair will relate to the color or the lightener, however you want to put it. So after closing it momentarily, she opens it back up, and then she's going to take a paper towel and put it down underneath it, and then she's going to then discard of that foil into the trash, and then she's going to wipe the excess color or lightener off, and then spray it with a water bottle. That's going to really take off that excess color. So this is pretty straightforward. This is one of the quickest videos that we'll have. So again, this is the Strand test. Very, very simple, very much to the point.